Good morning, everyone. As you can see, I'm still in the woodshed, so that means it's still raining outside. So wanted to shoot out here and just get a little air today. So I've got two knives for everybody. Actually, it's the same knife, but it's just okay. We got bugs here now too. Yeah, nothing like bees in the fall. Anyhow, okay, this one right here. As I say, these are both the same knives, but this one has finger grooves in it. These are small, everyday carry work knives. Okay, as you can see, this one has the gunstock tiger maple, but has those finger grooves in it. Okay, these make for really good choking up type knives, for working close detail stuff. Hunters like these too, again, for detailed cutting and skinning on the game, and whatever other type of use. It can be used for all different kinds of work, and just as I say, an everyday carry knife. But those finger grooves, they catch just the right amount. Your fingers right there, so you can hold up on that blade. It's got the lanyard hole, and not everybody likes those, but I put them on just about every knife I make now, so that people can have it if they want it. Anyway, so that's that one. And as you can see there, I put these heavy swedges on there. Okay, it's more of a look really now. It's really doesn't serve any purpose. But back on bigger knives, and again, I mentioned this before, a weight reduction type thing. But it was sharpened at one time. That type of false edge is what it's called, swedge, false edge. It was sharpened, so on a bigger knife, if you're fighting with it, which that doesn't happen too often, like it used to be, on a backstroke, it would cut, do damage as well with that. So anyway, nowadays it's just like I said, it just looks cool actually. So anyhow, all right, that's that one. And this one, okay, different sheath too entirely. This one is straight grip. Okay, but this one is in that reclaimed barnwood, the oak wood that I mentioned before about. Really impressive wood, I tell you. It's just amazing, the grain, and it gets better in time too. Wood darkens with exposure to light, except walnut. Walnut lightens actually, but this actually gets better looking as time goes on, especially this particular type of wood. But anyway, these again, it's a good one for choking up on. Really, really good in the hand. It's a small handle. There's only about, and again, I make these compact for a reason, so guys, people don't have to have a big knife hanging on their belt if they don't want it. These are about 6 3/4 overall length, and the blade is 3 1/4. Okay, it looks like it wouldn't, be comfortable to hold it. I don't have huge hands, but this actually feels very good in the hand. These are good, incredibly popular sellers too. I don't seem to be able to make enough of them. Anyhow, so that's about it, I guess, for those two knives. And got a lot more coming. Hang on a second. Bugs got me in the head. Yeah, got him. Anyhow, please, if you would, like and subscribe to my page here. It's been doing pretty good. Trying to shoot for that 1,000 mark there. I know that's a tiny percent, 1,000 milestone for a lot of people out there with thousands, hundreds and thousands of subscribers. But everybody's got to hit 1,000 sooner or later. So that's what we're trying to do. Anyway, thanks again. If anybody's interested in a knife, please just join the wait list or call me at the shop. I've got a tremendous backlog right now, but being on the wait list gives you an opportunity to get a knife, one or two that I make extra every month, and I notify everybody by email. Okay, so thanks again for watching, and please tune in again. We'll catch you in the next one. Thanks again.